Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. Um, Good morning. Hello.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, thank you. How are you today, Tom?
Today I'm uh, uh,
Fine.
no,
You're not fine? Are you sick?
yeah, no, I am
Sad?
sleepy
Oh, you sleepy. Why? Did you just wake
because
up? Mm-hmm.
because the uh yesterday I go when went to bed late
Oh, what time did you go to bed yesterday?
about 20 p.m.
20? What is
Yes,
20? 8?
no, 12.
12?
Yeah,
12 a.m. That's already a.m. It's already
p
morning.
no p.m.
12 p.m.?
Yes.
It's actually a.m., Tom.
Oh,
Yeah, 12 p.m. is later. After 1 hour, no, no, no. Today, now is 10 o'clock, right? 10 o'clock a.m., right? Now is 10 o'clock a.m. 10:04 actually in Vietnam. After 2 hours, it's already 12 p.m.
but
It's already
uh
12 p.m. later.
but two hours later it uh 12, but it's in the morning and
Yeah,
just
it's not morning, Tom. At 12, Vietnamese always mistook 12 p.m. and 12 a.m. 12 a.m. is when we sleep at night. It's already morning. It's
yeah,
a.m.
I
At
went to
night.
bed. Yeah, I went to bed at to 12 p.m.
Not p.m. It's 12 a.m.
What?
Yes, Tom, you
That is
listen. Yeah. So you sleep last night. You sleep last night at 12. Okay. Do you think of 11:59 p.m., right? 11:59 p.m. Think of 11:59 p.m. That's at night, right?
yeah.
After 11:59 p.m., it's already 12 a.m.
Oh, but what 12 in the morning cool?
12 noon. 12 in the morning is 12 noon. After
Oh,
12 after 12 o'clock, it's 12:01 p.m. After 12 noon, it's 12:01 p.m. It's
uh,
afternoon.
I did
Yeah,
no.
after 12 o'clock, after 12:59, it's 1 p.m., right? It's
Yeah,
1 p.m.
but no 20 no 12 p.m.
It's also 12 p.m. It's also 12 p.m. 12 noon is 12 p.m.
Oh,
Yeah, after 12, this is 12. 12 o'clock is noon, right, Tom?
yeah.
And 12:01, 12:01 is p.m.
Oh, oh,
Or we call it afternoon. Afternoon. 12:01 is p.m. That's why we call it afternoon because noon is 12 o'clock. Noon is
oh,
12 o'clock. So 12:01 is after noon. After noon. That's why we call it afternoon. 12:01 p.m. 12 o'clock noon is in the morning. And it's almost afternoon. Okay?
okay.
Noon. So this one at night, when we sleep, we have 11:59 p.m., right? We have 11:59 p.m. At night when we sleep. After 11:59 p.m., we have 12 a.m. It's already morning. It's already a.m. After 11:59 p.m. It's another day. It's another day. 12:01, 12 o'clock a.m. It's already another day. after at night when we sleep. That's when we start counting. It's already morning. Do you understand? Then we have
Yeah.
1 a.m. That's why we sleep at 1 a.m., right? We sleep at 1 a.m. But at 1 p.m., at 1 p.m. we don't sleep. We usually are we usually are in school or at work. 1 p.m. is, yeah, 1 o'clock is
Mm.
1 p.m.
Yeah.
12:01 p.m., 1 p.m. 1 a.m. is
Mm.
when we sleep, 12 a.m. is when we sleep, 1 p.m. is when we go to school or work or we play, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, usually Vietnamese always think of 12:01 p.m. is a.m. I mean 12 o'clock is a.m. It's the
Mm.
a.m. is when we sleep after 11:59 p.m. Okay?
Okay.
You understand it. So you slept last night at 12 a.m.
Yeah, I
It's
am.
already morning. That's why when you don't sleep early, it means you already sleep in the morning. It's already morning. It's another day.
Mm.
But what did you do? Why did you
I
sleep so
play,
late?
I play game.
Oh no. That's why you feel so sleepy now. What game? Roblox?
Yeah.
Can you lower down your camera because I can't see you clearly? I can only see here. All right,
Yeah.
Tom. I just remembered. I messaged your mom last time. Did she receive my message? Did your mom see my message? Did you see it too?
No, I don't see it, but no, I think my mom is my mom
Saw?
read, yeah, saw this, just saw that.
Did you see it too?
No,
You didn't see my message? What did your mom say?
I don't know, but when I asked my mom send a video for you, my mom, I think my mom saw that.
Mm-hmm.
So now I asked my mom.
Okay, you just tell your mom that I messaged her. Just tell her later. Okay.
Okay,
Just tell her later that I messaged her and I'm waiting for her response.
and but I see I saw money.
Yes, how money? Do you understand my
I
message? Do you understand it?
no, I can see only
Money.
uh yeah, money.
I'm not asking your mom to pay. I'm not asking her for money. I'm just actually giving her something she might like. So
Hmm.
tell her to, I'm waiting for her message for her response. Okay?
Okay, but my mom doesn't know English.
You can translate it. There's a translation. You can click translate. You want me to
Oh,
translate it too? I can message you with Vietnamese translation. I can translate my message. Do you want? But you, if you click this
uh,
message
I
here,
think
I'll show you here.
I think
If
I
you click
can
this, if you click this, there's oh, I don't know where that is. But when you yeah, I think where is it?
copy text.
No, 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 no. When I use my phone, I can, if I click this, there's a translate here. There's a translate message here. Because maybe this is I think let me show you something. Here. One of my students' mom messaged me this. And yeah, I already clicked. But where there's no
Oh,
translate
well,
on
I
there's no
see it.
translate. Hmm?
Oh no.
There's no
Well,
translate message here on computer, but on your phone, you can actually translate it on your phone.
but
But on
I
computer, hmm?
I always copy text and
Ah,
put it in
Google.
translate.
Okay, you can
Yeah.
also do that. Yeah, maybe you can, but maybe I can translate it already. I'll
Yeah.
as I'll translate it now, so your mom
Uh,
can. Oh, I thought your mom can translate it easily, so I'll translate it and send it to you again.
uh,
Okay. So tell me while waiting for what I'm doing. Can you tell me about your morning? What did you do this morning?
I don't do anything. I wake up at 9 a.m.
Mm, you woke up
and
at 9 a.m. And you didn't do anything because it's 1 hour before our class.
yeah,
Ah, okay. And you still feel sleepy. All right. Have you eaten breakfast?
no, and I think I don't eat breakfast, and I eat lunch.
Ah, yeah. Are you hungry now? You haven't eaten anything yet?
No, I'm not hungry.
You're hungry. Can you see my message? Is my message correct?
What I
Is
can
my
see.
message correct? Hmm?
What
What are you saying again? you you haven't eaten the lunch?
I haven't eat breakfast, and I eat lunch.
Ah, you have eaten lunch. What did you eat for lunch?
I don't know, but it's later.
Ah, you haven't eaten lunch too. So are you hungry now?
No, I think I eat chicken feet for lunch.
Ah, okay, okay.
Do you know
Oh,
it?
what is it?
Is uh, I eat chicken lunch, chicken feet.
Chicken feet. Ah, wow, I like it. I eat chicken feet
Yeah,
too. I like it. It's sticky. It's sticky.
yeah,
Yeah, I like
and,
sticky.
and
I like
it's
sticky.
good.
Yeah, it's good. What do you how does your mom cook it? Fried or
No,
with sauce?
uh, my mom, my mom
Just bought it?
bought it in my her school,
Ah, your mom bought it in her school. Wow.
and
Sounds
and is
delicious.
yeah, and is the bone chicken feet.
Oh, the bone. Wow. It
Yeah,
yeah, so it doesn't have bone. It's easy to eat. I don't know how to cook the bone chicken feet. But I think it's better if it doesn't have bone, if it's deboned.
yeah,
It's easy to eat. It's easier.
in some shopping mall in Vietnam,
Oh,
uh,
really? They
has a
sell.
lot of
Uh-huh.
chicken feet, and
The bone without bone.
yeah, but it's always chicken feet. It's not the bone.
Ah, okay. I will learn how to do it, but it's very time consuming. You need a lot of time and patience to
Yeah,
debone chicken feet.
and
Yeah.
I don't know. ingredient to cook it.
I know how to cook it. I know how to cook chicken feet, but I don't know how to debone to remove the bone. But I want to learn. But I think I need a lot of time and patience.
Uh, I uh, I watch a chicken feet, the bone chicken feet in
Yeah.
YouTube.
On YouTube,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. I think I just
yeah,
watch. I just need to watch it. I think it's easy to find
yeah,
lessons. It's easy to find lessons how to debone chicken feet, but yeah, I need a lot of time. I don't
yeah,
have a lot of time. I don't have a lot of time. I'm always busy. All right, did
yeah.
you see, Tom? Did you see my message again? I sent you a message, your mom actually.
My
It's
mom,
Vietnamese. Mm?
I can see.
You can't?
Yeah, because I
Mm.
don't have my
Zalo.
mom's Zalo.
Ah, but you saw earlier
Yeah,
the money. You saw
yeah,
money. That's the only thing that you saw, and you didn't read it. Why
yeah.
didn't you read it? Why didn't you read it?
I I read about
Money.
one 1 million.
500 and one million three
Yeah,
hundred thousand.
Vietnam dong.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So I messaged your mom again. It's Vietnamese. Translated to Vietnamese.
But I think my mom is asleep now.
Ah, okay. Yes, tell her later.
Yesterday, my mom is fell down. Oh no.
Fell down?
Yeah.
Where?
In apartment when
Oh no. She's sick? She's
no,
injured?
yeah, yeah.
Oh no.
But uh, yeah, she asked me
Mm-hmm.
yeah today.
She wants to
Um,
sleep.
no, she uh, but today she rely leg pain.
Leg pain. Oh. Does she not want to go to the doctor, to the hospital, so she can
Yeah,
check?
yesterday
She went.
she asked me if my mom uh, rely leg pain.
Mm-hmm.
She doesn't go to a hospital.
She doesn't need.
Yeah,
Or okay, okay. Can she still walk?
uh, yeah,
Did
but
she? Mm-hmm. Did she
yeah,
fell? Yeah. Okay.
yeah, my mom is can work, but
Oh,
it's very hard,
painful. It's painful. It's
and,
very hard.
and she need me.
Did she fell from the stairs?
Uh,
Did she fell from the stairs?
yeah,
Oh.
but do you know stay in an apartment?
Mm-hmm.
And it's don't long.
It's not long.
Yeah,
Okay. That's good that it's not long. It's not high. It's not
yeah,
high. Okay. I hope your mom feels better soon. Gets
yeah.
better soon. Your mom's
Thank.
like, it's very difficult because she needs to go to school tomorrow, right? How can she go to school?
She use her motorbike.
Oh, can she still drive
Yeah,
even if
but
her
I
leg
think
hurts?
she will.
Not go
Uh,
to school tomorrow?
yeah,
Ah, yeah, she needs rest. She needs to rest. Okay. All right, so I think we can start our lesson. Do you have homework? I forgot.
yes.
Oh,
I
yeah,
have
you
to
do.
homework.
Ah, okay. So we will check it first. I almost forgot. Okay. Oh, that's good that you have time. When did you do this?
At 9:20 a.m.
9:20. So just earlier
But
today.
now, 9:20 today.
9:20 today.
Yes.
Why can I? I can't find. Can you see it? Can you see your video now?
No, I think my internet is loud. I can see. No, I can only say. Oh, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, you see it now?
yes.
All right. So let's watch your video.
Hello teacher, my name is Tom C. Today I'm discussing the
Discussing.
importance of
Discuss.
energy in our daily life.
Daily life.
Energy in our life is very important because it power transport and object that uh, that require electric, such as internet, TV, and refrigerator. This is
Refrigerator.
the end of my video. Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, so energy is very important because it powers
The transport.
transport and yeah,
And
the
okay.
appliances that we need at home. Yeah, okay, that's good. That's right. And let's have the other one.
See, today I'm telling about myself using road with conjunction.
With what?
Uh, and first, I will
Contractions.
call you tomorrow. Second is I am a student,
Mm-hmm.
and the last one is I will I will go shopping with my mom later. This
Mm-hmm.
is the end of my video. Goodbye, teacher.
I'll go shopping with my mom later. All right. So thank you for doing your homework, Tom. Really? How can you go shopping with your mom later? So that's just an
Yeah.
example. Okay. All right. So let's practice some of the words here, Tom. Mm. This
This can be.
this ka. You is
This,
discussing. Discussing.
discussing.
Yeah. Like umbrella. Cup.
Discussing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes. And this one is
live.
lives. Our daily lives. Lives.
Oh,
Yeah, we have live and we have lives. You if you use the word in our daily lives, just like
oh,
life,
but
my life, and you have this one, and you have this one. Live I live I
I
live
live.
in Vietnam. I
I
live in
live.
Vietnam. So you pronounce this as live and live, they're different. Life and yeah, life.
But
That's the only
uh,
thing.
daily life and my life is spelled as.
Yeah, so our daily lives, we use lives because it's plural. Plural. The plural of life, if you have lots of life. Your life, my life, your life, my life, our lives.
Hmm.
Yeah. So the plural form of life is lives. And we also have live. It means not dead, right? Live, alive, just like alive. Yeah, live. You can also have. We also have the live on Facebook. We have live on Facebook, live on
Oh,
TV. We have live on TV. We are now live on TV. It means everyone can see you on TV right now.
oh,
Okay?
my. A lot of life.
Yeah, that's right. So we have live and lives. They're different. Live and lives, they're different too. Live, it means you are on air on TV or on Facebook. You are live. But we have lives, which is the plural form of life. Life and lives. Life, lives. One life, two lives. One life, two lives. Just like, just like, just like this one. The plural of this word. Leaf. We have
Leaf.
one leaf, two leaves. Right? Two
Mm.
leaves. One leaf.
Yeah.
So we have one leaf, two leaves. You also have one loaf of bread, one loaf of bread. Right? We have one loaf of bread, and we
Yeah.
have loaves. Two loaves of bread. Two loaves of bread. Okay?
Okay.
That we call them irregular verbs. Okay?
Okay.
Irregular verbs. We change the spelling, especially the word L, the letter F. We usually change F to V when we make plural form of a word that ends with F. We change F to V and we add ES. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. Oh no, we only have 1 minute left.
Oh,
We we haven't finished this one yet. And we're going to talk about wind turbine. So, is there or are there wind turbines in Vietnam?
yeah, but I
Yeah.
think not a lot.
Usually in a mountain, usually near a mountain or yeah, up a plain, there's a wind turbine or there are lots of wind turbine. We call one wind turbine and we have we have a lot. Hello?
Hello.
Your internet is slow. If there
Yeah.
are lots of wind turbines, maybe 15 to 20 wind turbines, we call them wind farm. Wind farm. It's also wind farm. If it's only one, we call it wind turbine. If there's a lot of wind turbine, it's also a wind farm. Okay?
Okay.
And coal, we use coal when we cook. Sometimes when we grill, right? When we grill barbecue, right? All right, Tom, we don't have enough time. Okay, so I can't think of any question for her homework, so I won't give you homework for now. I'll see you again on Wednesday. No homework. See you again. Goodbye. Please
Goodbye,
text
teacher.
mom. Okay, I message her. Bye. Yeah, see you next week.
Bye, teacher.